got this 2018 Monster Jeep Cherokee SRT. It's got the 6.4 Scat Pack engine in it. We already did a Muffy D on this. Ran the 3-inch pipe, kept the stock tips. Now the customer wants it a little bit louder, but trying to maximize some performance. So we don't just recommend the resonator delete, we recommend the X pipe with the resonator delete. Let me show you what it looks like. Got the X pipe ran, 2.5-inch pipe, X pipe to the stock piping. Later on, if this guy wants to upgrade it anymore, you slap an air intake on there and then maybe a supercharger. Then you're doing Trackhawk numbers, guys. So with the Trackhawk, you usually get 700 horsepower, you got all-wheel drive, and like I said, it's still a Jeep Grand Cherokee, so you got some luxury inside. You got some suede seats, which is pretty sweet, and you get a monster supercharged V8, which is awesome. Now the difference between this and a Trackhawk is the SRT. It's got the 6.4 non-supercharged engine, but it still makes good horsepower. It's almost 500 horsepower, so if you slap the supercharger on there, it would make about the same horsepower, maybe a little bit less. Might need a little bit more work. But on the Trackhawk, like I said, we did a G-Pack system, X-pipe in the middle, and a muffler delete. With this one, just an X-pipe and a muffler delete, so we're gonna compare the sounds, see which one sounds better, see which one is worth doing, guys. The SRT Jeep Cherokee sounds sick with the X pipe and the muffler delete. It does have factory tip, guys, so if you want some new tips, we got a bunch of different tips at both shops. That's Davie, Oakland Park, and don't forget to follow us, subscribe, you know, hit the like button, guys. Come on, we're doing this for you guys. So if you got an SRT Jeep, you want to make it sound like a Trackhawk, do a muffler delete, do an X pipe. It sounds beast, guys. So yeah, if you want your Jeep SRT to sound like the Trackhawk, hit us up at G-Exhaust, gexhaust.com. If you're not local, sell a bunch of different systems for that truck on our website. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. G-Exhaust out.